Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Tom Ford model, Jennifer TF8, in color code 692. It's a transparent brown gold color frame. There's a Tom Ford logo engraved on the left lens. On the temples here, it has a gold detailing. And then it also has a gold Tom Ford logo on the tip of the temple, as well for this side. On the back here, this frame is made in Italy, and here's the serial number. The lenses are a brown gradient color. Up here, we have the Tom Ford gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.